Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how long does email marketing take to set up? First, it's important to understand what email marketing is and how it works. Email marketing is all about sharing specific content with a targeted audience. This can be a great way to build relationships with your customers, nurture leads, and drive sales. So how long does email marketing take to set up? The answer is it depends on the size of your mailing list, the complexity of your marketing strategy, and the number of resources that you have available. If you have an established email list and a simple plan for your marketing strategy, it may only take a few days to implement. This would involve creating templates, configuring your email automations, and scheduling your first campaign to be sent out. On the other hand, if you're just getting started with email marketing and don't have an established mailing list, it can take a lot longer to get things set up. In addition to the things we've already discussed, this might involve creating your mailing list from scratch and building a lead magnet to encourage people to join your mailing list. If you need help getting your mailing list set up, or your business calls for a much more involved email marketing strategy, you could be looking at several weeks or even months to get your campaign up and running. Overall, the amount of time it takes to get your email marketing engine up and running depends on your specific needs and what your goals are for your business. If you're not sure where to start, I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that's right for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward in your business with clarity. If that sounds impactful, book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.